A new vanity is a simple and affordable way to transform your bathroom. We will be removing this old vanity and replacing it with a nice new one. This is a project you can easily tackle at home, with just a few steps and some planning. Start by turning off the water valves to your existing sink and opening the faucet to release any remaining pressure. Under the sink, we have the drain pipe that goes into this curved section, called the P-Trap. Loosen the nut at the top of the P-Trap and pull the trap down off the sink drain pipe. You may need to remove the trap completely. If you're rerouting any plumbing for your new vanity, you can do that after removing the old one. If you're not comfortable with plumbing projects, a plumber can help you get it done simply and safely. Disconnect the water lines from the valves. Then, use a utility knife to cut the caulk or sealant that connects the sink backsplash to the wall. Remove the screws that hold the vanity to the wall and pull it out. If you need to repair or repaint any sections of the wall that were damaged during the process, this is the perfect time to do that. Then, mark out the new position with the width and the height of the new vanity. Use a stud finder to find and mark the studs within this outline of the vanity. If your new vanity has a solid back, measure out the position of the pipes on the wall and translate those measurements to the back of the vanity. Cut pipe holes with the correct size hole saw. You can remove the doors from your new vanity to make installation easier if needed. Slide your vanity into position, lining it up with the marks you made earlier. Check that it is level, and use shims to adjust the height if necessary. Once the vanity is level, drill a pilot hole into the nearest stud and attach with screws. If you don't have a stud to drill into, you will need a wall anchor like this. Use the correct type of anchor for your wall surface. If your vanity doesn't come with an attached top, you can attach the top to the cabinet with a thin bead of caulk. Reinstall your doors. Apply a bead of caulk along the edge where the backsplash meets the wall. Install your faucet according to the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to put down a rope of Plumbers putty underneath the sink drain ring. Attach the P-Trap to the sink drain line. Apply Teflon tape in a clockwise direction before attaching the water valve lines. And turn the water valves back on. Test your faucet and check all the connections for leaks. Your vanity is installed and you're ready to go. It's amazing how one change can transform a whole room, and you can make this change too with a new vanity from Lowe's.